Galpin's Ruby Star Pink Porsche 930 Turbo Slantnose packs 850 horsepower. The Porsche 930 Turbo from Galpin also has racing stripes using the colors of Porsche's 75th anniversary celebrations. Galpin Motors and the Porsche Santa Clarita dealership in California have come together to create a unique 1988 Porsche 930 Turbo Slantnose that premiered at the Porsche Classic Restoration Challenge during last week's Monterey Car Week. This 930 Turbo found its way into the hands of Porsche Santa Clarita with fire and corrosion damage, but rather than repair it to its original form, the decision was made to transform it into a competition-ready build. One of the most significant modifications made is the fitment of a rare X83 Flachbau body kit from Japan. As if the body kit itself wasn't enough to make the car stand out, it has also been finished in Porsche's beloved color of Ruby Star with a black racing stripe running along the hood, roof, and engine cover. This stripe immediately catches the eye as it incorporates the colors that Porsche is using for its ongoing 75th anniversary, arranged in an intricate way. Completing the in-your-face exterior of the car are bright teal wheels from HRE with chrome rims and wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. Extensive work has also been done on the car's engine. In fact, it now features a new 3.5-liter turbocharged flat-six with individual throttle bodies, churning out an extraordinary 850 horsepower. Galpin Motors has also upgraded the oil cooler system and rebuilt the transaxle with a new limited-slip differential and cooler. While no performance figures have been released for the car, we're sure the combination of 850 horsepower and the car's light overall weight makes it an absolute missile. Like the exterior, the interior is very bright. Adorning most surfaces is turquoise leather with black and white Porsche inserts. Galpin also rebuilt the instrument cluster, installed a Porsche Classic radio with aftermarket Blaupunkt speakers, and updated the climate control. This project is the most ambitious build we've created for the Porsche Classic Restoration Challenge, Galpin Motors President and Chief Operating Officer Bo Boekman described. Despite starting off with fire damage and corrosion, we were able to transform it into a period-correct Porsche on the exterior and interior while making the performance simply terrifying. Our goal with this Slantnose was to bring it back to the original generation while incorporating our own unique Galpinized design.